This class we are discussing about integration. So what is integration means? It is nothing but a sum of the given terms. So the sum of the given function in a x variable, or it is the reverse process of the differentiation. So one by one integration is there, and is made two parts. Totally two parts are there. That two parts are definite integrals and indefinite integrals. So indefinite integrals is nothing but it doesn't have any ranges. So for example, here it is there. So indefinite integrals and definite integrals. So indefinite integrals is there. So properties of the integration will comes, and after that some methods are there. So the methods are substitution method and integration by using the trigonometric identities, and integration of some particular function, and integration by partial fractions, and integration by parts rule, and integration of some more types. So here I have separated the slots. So these two are in the second class, and these two are this will be I have solved and done with the this one integration, and this integration by partial fraction and integration by parts in the one slot, one class, and integration of some more type, this is the another class. So after that definite integrals is the one more class. So totally 1 2 3 4 4 to 5 classes are there for the integration. Before that we need to understand the integration of the terms. This f of x will be the integrand, and this x will be the variable of the function, and इसका आंसर क्या आएगा f of x plus c, कैपिटल f of x. It means इसका डिफरेंशिएट किया तो आपका आंसर f of x आना चाहिए. तो we will see one by one what are the there. So in this chapter MCQs are two are there in the last year, and this year it will be reduced to one only. And if it is comes in the fill in the blanks or one MCQ. So totally 2 marks 2 are there, 3 marks 1 will be there, 5 marks 1 is there, 6 marks 1 is there. Totally 19 to 20 marks are the basis on the integration. Clear? So one by one we can understand. So it is the integrand, and a function is there. What is integrate? Or you can say it is the antiderivative. Find the antiderivative of the given function. It is nothing but find the integrate of the given function. It means, so we have to one by one examples we need to solve. So after that we will understand. So these are the methods of integration. Integration by substitution and identities and partial fractions and parts rule, and this some more types. Some more types and particular functions are same to same, nothing to worry. And particular functions I have already done with the 3 classes, and you can see it. So in this class we need to know about some algebra of integration. In differentiation, f of x plus or minus g of x is there. It means f dash of x plus or minus z dash of x. Same to same, limits, function, and differentiation of function, and now integration of function, all are same. So integration of f of x plus g or minus z of x is there. Then it is nothing but integration of sum of function is nothing but the sum of integration of the functions, and constant multiplied to the function in the integral, it will be considered as a outside. It means it is a common term. Then you can integrate the given function. So this you know already. And integration of differentiation of given function, it is nothing but f dash of x with respect to x. It is nothing but f of x plus c. Given function का answer आएगा directly. So the reverse process is there. Differentiation is the inverse to the reverse process to the integration. इसका क्या क्या है ना integration का, whatever the values are there in integration, that all values will be reversed for the differentiation. One, for example, differentiation of sin x is cos x, then integration of cos x is sin x with respect to x. Like that, integration of differentiation of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1, then integration of n into x to the power n minus 1 with respect to answer is x to the power n plus c. Like that, one by one is there. So we can see all some formulas also there on the basis of integration. Without knowing the formulas we can't solve anything. I do know the integration of sin x is cos x minus cos x, and cos x is sin x, and tan x is log of sec x. Here it is will confuse with the differentiation. What is the differentiation of tan x? That is sec square x, and integration of sec square x will be a tan x. So we have to divide it. So integration of tan x, cot x, and sec x, cos x are different because they are the log. आप इसका डिफरेंशिएट किया तो इसका डिफरेंशिएट करो आप, so log of sec x differentiation will be 1 by sec x into differentiation of sec x. Differentiation of sec x will be sec x into tan x divided by sec x. Sec x will be cancelled. In the numerator, tan x will be remaining. So the answer will be tan x. Like that, you have to differentiate this function. You will get this function. So the cot x is log of sin x. One more is there, minus log of cosec x. And tan x is there, minus log of cos x is also there. And sec x, if it is sec x ayato, sec x plus tan x in the logarithm. If it is cosec x, then it is cosec x minus cot x in the logarithm. It is these are the main formulas, and some more formulas are there. Integration of sec square x with respect to x, it is nothing but tan x plus c. And integration of cosec square x plus with respect to x, it is minus cot x plus c. And integration of main formula x raised to n to the power n with respect to x is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. And integration of e to the power x with respect to x is nothing but e to the power x plus c. And integration of the log x, so the log x will be considered as a 1 into log x, because there is no integration directly for log x. You have to simplify using the Far's rule, u into v. That will be in the next class, you can see there. So next, the integration of 1 by x with respect to x, it will be the log x, because the differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Because of the differentiation of log x is 1 by x, then integration of 1 by x will be the log x, and e to the power x will be e to the power x. And what is the differentiation of e to the power x? Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x into log a. Here also e to the power x with respect to x differentiation is e to the power x divided by log a plus c. So plus will be the constant for the all terms. So these are the some more basic formulas for the integration and differentiation. You need to know differentiation first, then only you can solve the integration. Differentiation is nothing but pushpa 1 or kgf1. Then integration is nothing but pushpa 2 or what is that, kgf2. Because first you need to understand the first part, then only you can understand the second part. So here, one by one, on the basis of the properties of indefinite integrals, so we have to solve one by one. You know, integration of functions, sum is there, then it is nothing but sum of integration of then functions. So separate this one, integration of this and integration of this. So 4 into e to the power x with respect to x plus 1 with respect to x. Then what is the 4? Constant into function. What is that constant into function? That constant will become outside, and you have to integrate with the given function. So same to same. So constant will become outside. What is the integration of e to the power x? That is e to the power x. And you know one more the thing I forget here. So what is the differentiation of x? The differentiation of x will be 1. Same, if you have to this divided by dx इधर आया तो you have to just you need to understand integration of 1 is nothing but x. So इधर से इधर आप इंटीग्रेशन किया तो दोनों साइड इंटीग्रेशन किया तो d by dx and integration will cancel and x will be remain. Cancel means they have the property, not cancel. So for understanding के लिए ऐसा बोलते हैं is equal to 1. So integration of 1 will be x. So here it is, the integration of 1 will be the x and plus c. So the 4 into e to the power x difference integration is e to the power x plus c1, and integration of this will be c2. So 4 into e to the power x plus x plus c1 plus c2. c1 plus c2 are the constant, so keep as it is. So x plus c, clear? So because of c is equal to c1 plus c2, either you can skip c1 c2, skip, directly write the c, it will be okay. So there is no need to worry. So here it is, the integration of 2x square plus e to the power x with respect to x, it is nothing but, so we have to separate 2x square, 2 as it is, integration of x square with respect to x, e to the power x, e to the respect to x, 2. And what is the integration of x square? That is x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, because x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. N value is 2. X to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus what is the integration of e to the power x? That will be the e to the power x plus c. So here 2 plus 1 is 3 and x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 plus e to the power x plus c. This is your answer. So here it is. This is what this is nothing but the integration of f of x को differentiate किया. So differentiation of integration of f of x is nothing but a f of x because of the differentiation integration are the reverse process. So you know already I have solved this also. The next example is integration of x square and 1 minus 1 by x square. So just you need to multiply this in the inside. X square into 1 will be x square into 1 will be x square divided by x square with respect to x. Now x square with respect to x minus x square cancel 1 with respect to x. So x square means x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus integration of 1 will be x. So x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus x plus c. This is your answer. So easy है. So सिर्फ बेसिक है. Integration of root x minus 1 by root x whole square. Now you have to use the a minus b whole square formula. That is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is nothing but root x, b is nothing but 1 by root x. So apply this formula. Root x square minus नहीं plus 1 by root x square minus 2 times root x into 1 by root x with respect to x. So here integration of root x square and root will cancel. You know that x plus x square and root cancel. 1 square will be 1 and this will be x minus and this root x cancel minus 2 with respect to x. Now you can find the separation of this integration. Integration of x is x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Integration of 1 by x is log x and minus 2 as it is, and integration 2 is 2 into x plus c. This is your total answer. So you have to use the formula and apply the formula and put the values of a and b and you will get the integral. So you have to find that integrand, then you will get the answer. Clear? This is your integral I value. So same to same here also, root x is there plus 1 by root x is there with respect to x. So whenever the value is there, variable is there, so what is the root x? You can represent as x to the power 1 by 2 plus what is the 1 by root x? That is nothing but 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. And you know already a to the power m divided by a to the power m, a to the power m minus n. Or you know 1 divided by a to the power m is there, a to the power minus m. This plus 1 by 2 ऊपर आया तो क्या होगा? X to the power 1 by 2, use that formula, 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 and plus 1 divided by x to the power 1 by 2 ಐತಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Integration of x to the power minus 1 by 2 with respect to x. So this will be the plus c and 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 is there, you have to add the 1 by 2, 1 and half. It means 1.5. 1.5 you can write it as 3 by 2 or you can take 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 and here it is also 3 by 2. So x to the power 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2. Here it is also x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 1 by 2 is there, here minus 1 by 2 is there, minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So full में हाफ निकालो तो क्या होगा? हाफ ही बढ़ेगा तो plus c. So x to the power 3 by 2, this 3 by 2 you can write it as 2 by 3 and this minus 1 by 2. So plus x to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 and this will be 1 by 2. Simplify further, you will get the answer 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus, or you can write x cube root of x cube. It is will be a root x and divided by 1 by 2 will be ऊपर आएगा. You can write it. So here, so this type x cube plus 5x square plus divided by x square. You know the division rule. So divided by में 1 ही है एक ही नंबर. So सबको divide equal से होता है. तो equal ದಿಂದನೇ divide ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ x cube by x square 5x square by x square 4 by x square with respect to x. This is your knowing value. So here x square and x cube cancel, so remaining will be x only. 3 minus 2 plus x square cancel, 5 will be remaining. 4x to the power minus 2 with respect to x. So you know what is the integration of x to the power 1 is x square divided by 2 plus 5 into 1 means integration of 1 will be x plus 4 to the power x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Further we can simplify x square by 2 5x plus x to the power 4 x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. Further we can simplify and put the values. That's it. So the next example is, and here it is, the this question will be the asked in the 2020 and 17. So we have to be careful that the last previous year questions. So this is also most important question. So they have asked in the 2018 x cube minus 1 divided by x. So with respect to x, so to divide equally na, so x cube divided by x minus 1 divided by x and with respect to x. So same to same, x square and x cube and 1 will cancel. 3 minus 1 will be x square minus 1 by x with respect to x. And you know the values of the integrals. So integration of x square is nothing but our x cube divided by 2 minus integration of 1 by x will be log x plus c. This is your answer. Simplified it. So integration of 1 minus x into root x is nothing but, so we have to multiply that root x inside. Root x minus x into root x with respect to x. And next root x you can write it as x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power 1 by 2 into x with respect to x. So here it is also x to the power 1 by 2. You know that integral. So x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, here it is x to the power 1 by 2 into x, a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n. So here also you have to use the x to the power 3 by 2 and that integral you have to do it. So here it is the answer, x to the power 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 minus. Now integration of x to the power 3 by 2 is x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. You need to know the value x to the power dabba with respect to x. The differentiation integration dabba वही है तो वापस integration of dabba with respect to dabba, that answer will be x to the power dabba plus 1 divided by dabba plus 1 if the both dabbas are same. So here same to same, 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this 3 by 2 will comes now for, that is 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 will be 5 by 2, then it will be 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c. You need to understand this step. 2 into 1 will be 2, 3 plus I will solve here, 3 by 2 plus 1. So 3 plus 2 divided by 5, yeah sorry 2, एलसीएम लेना है बस, 2 into 1 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है तो 5 by 2 आएगा. वो 5 by 2 डिनोमिनेटर में तो ओवर डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर comes to numerator. That is our result. Clear? So the next example is the integration of root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 with respect to x. Here also you need to do the same, 3x square and root x, x to the power 1 by 2 x square into x to the power 1 by 2, 2x into x to the power 1 by 2, 3 root x means x to the power 1 by 2 with respect to x. So integration of 3x square raised to into 1 by 2, it becomes 3 into x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2, or you can do it separately and put the values directly. So here x to the power square into x to the power 1 by 2, it will be 2 plus 1 by 2 x to the power 4 plus 1 by 2, x to the power 5 by 2. This will be the 5 by 2. And here it is 1 plus 1 by 2, x into x to the power 1 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2. Here it is x to the power 1 by 2 only. That values we can substitute here, 3 outside and x to the power 5 by 2 with respect to x, 2 outside, x to the power 3 by 2 with respect to x, and 3 outside, x to the power 1 by 2 with respect to x. You can directly do the integration, that will also okay, and you can separate them with respect to x, with respect to x, that is also okay. So here it is 3 outside. What is the integration of x to the power 5 by 2? That is x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1, and plus 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1. Same to same डब्बा रूल यूज करना है. 3 into x to the power 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Further you can simplify it. It will be the easiest one. You can solve it. So here it is. The next question is x cube. Here it is the very important, means logic question. So integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Just think about it. So x minus 1 is there in the denominator. You need to cancel it. Sir, x cube by x minus 1 ले सकते क्या? हाँ, ले सकते. तो x cube divided by x minus 1 ले सकते. But x minus 1 कैंसिल होते क्या सर? नहीं होते. कब होते? उसका सेपरेट करना पड़ेगा. तो इसका इसका और इसका इसका सेपरेट किया तो देन विल गेट द टोटली न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो ऊपर का x minus 1 आना चाहिए. बस अभी क्या आना चाहिए? x minus 1 ऊपर आना चाहिए. तो ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? x minus 1 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೊ x cube x square. So what is the main constant? That will be a x square. So remaining will be x minus 1 and plus x minus 1. Now we can separate x minus 1 with respect to x. देखो, so x minus 1 x minus 1 x minus 1 x minus 1 integration of x square with respect to x plus integration of 1 with respect to x. Integration of x square will be x cube by 3 plus integration of x will be 1 will be x plus simple. Only two steps is there. Next, so this is also a simplest. 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x with respect to x. Directly करो इसका 2 as it is. Integration of x is nothing but x square by 2 minus 3 cos x. What is the integration of cos x? That will be the sin x directly. E to the power x will be e to the power x plus c in only one step answer. So here it is also same. Integration of 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x with respect to x. So 2 outside. What is the integration of x square? That will be x cube by 3 minus 3. What is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x plus 5 root x. What is the root x formula? X to the power 1 by 2. So integration of x to the power 1 by 2 will be x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2. That will be a 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So plus c. Directly we have need to write 2 by 3 x cube minus minus दुश्मन का दुश्मन दोस्त. तो 3 cos x plus either 3 by 2, 2 will becomes in the numerator, then it will be 10 by 3 and x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Clear? So here it is also direct. Sin x plus cos x with respect to x. Direct question. Integration of sin x with respect to x. Integration of cos x with respect to x. What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x, and cos x will be the sin x plus c. So sin x minus cos x plus c. This is your total answer. They asked in the 2014. सो इजी रहता है इंटीग्रेशन, टफ नहीं है, पहला बेसिक होना चाहिए. तो व्हाट इज द 9 इंटू साइन एक्स? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 9 आउटसाइड साइन एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स एंड 6 एज इट इज cos square x. What is cos square x? That will be the sec square x with respect to x plus 2 by sin square x. It will be a 2 outside and it will be a cosec square x plus what is cot square x? We can write it as a cosec square x minus 1. Sir, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತೀರಿಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಅಂತಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. So this is nothing but the identities of the integrals. So identities of our trigonometries. So sin square dabba plus cos square dabba is nothing but 1. 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x, and 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x. So you need cot square x, then it will be the 1 इधर आएगा cosec square minus 1. तो इधर tan square का यूज ही नहीं है. तो अभी 1 बाय, आपको वो तो पता है, 1 बाय साइन एक्स इज cosec x reciprocals, and 1 by cos x will be the sec x. That will also you know. Now what is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x. Minus will come outside. 6 as it is. Integration of sec square x is tan x directly, plus integration of 2 times means you need to solve it. So 2 times cosec square x plus 1 time cosec square x. That will be integration of 3 times cosec square x minus 1 with respect to x. So now same 9 cos x minus 6 tan x plus 3 cosec square will be 3 cot x minus 1. So here it is minus cot x. So this minus will come outside. Then minus 9 cos x minus 6 tan x minus 3 cot x minus 1. This is your integral. So this one by one you have to solve. So one by one. So then you will get the answer. So now here also you need to use the trigonometry. Cot x divided by sin x minus tan square x minus tan x divided by cos x plus 2 by cos square x. Here this also you know, this also you know, and you need to solve this only. Cot x by sin x ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, and tan x by cos x ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ. So cot x by sin x, cot x into 1 by sin x. Cot x you can write cos x divided by sin x, and 1 by sin x is there already, and one more thing is there. So this will be also the cos x divided by sin square x aega. So there is no use to use this one. So another method is there. Which one? तो cot x तो है, तो ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೇನದ cot x ಕೂಡ cot x ಜೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದದ, cot x ಜೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದದ cosec ಕೋ ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಜೋಡಿನೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ cot x ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ sin x ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ cosec x. This will be the cosec x into cot x minus that tan square x. How to write that tan square x? 1 plus sec square x. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ತುಂಬ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. tan x is there and 1 by cos x is there. This 1 by sin x you need to write cosec x, and it will be cot x into cosec x. You will get the formula. And tan x into 1 by cos x is there, then you will get the tan x into sec x. Also you will get the formula. So this cot x by sin x you can write it as cosec x into cot x with respect to x, and this tan square you can write sec square x minus 1. So sec square, this will be the 1 plus tan square will be the sec square x, and it will be the sec square x minus 1. And next it will be the bracket minus this you can write sec x into tan x with respect to x, and last term cos square x ऊपर है तो sec square x with respect to x. Now one by one the integration of this will be the direct formula cosec x plus c, and this will be the sec square x will be the plus tan x minus outside. So sec square x is tan x minus x. 1 minute, we can solve here. Here sec cosec x will be the minus cosec x. Here it is minus, and sec square x will be the tan x, and minus 1 will be the x, minus it will be the sec x, and this will be the 2 tan x plus c. Direct formula, just you need to substitute the formula. ये minus tan x होगा, ये plus x होगा, बस उतना ही. तो minus tan x and plus 2 tan x. 2 tan x, दो गोड़ा है, एक गोड़ा निकालो तो क्या बचेगा, एक ही कोड़ा बचेगा cosec x plus tan x plus x minus sec x plus c. You can write the first plus terms and next the negative terms, no worries. So this will be solved. Next, here sec x into sec x plus tan x is there. This is also asked in the last time, 2018 and 15. So sec x into sec x, it will be a sec square x plus sec x into tan x. That will be the sec x into tan x with respect to x. This is also simple one. Integration of sec square x will be tan x and sec x into tan x will be sec x plus c. सिंपल डायरेक्ट ही आएगा दो स्टेप में. तो ये भी ऐसा है ना, कोसेक स्क्वेयर प्लस कोसेक एक्स इंटू कॉट एक्स. तो कोसेक स्क्वेयर एंड कोसेक एक्स इंटू कॉट एक्स. तो कोसेक स्क्वेयर का क्या होगा माइनस कॉट एक्स एंड कोसेक एक्स इंटू कॉट एक्स का क्या होगा माइनस कोसेक एक्स प्लस सी. दिस इज योर आंसर. सो सिंपल रहता है. tan x प्लस कॉट एक्स टू द पावर स्क्वेयर. इधर है देखो मजा. a प्लस बी होल स्क्वेयर इज नथिंग बट a स्क्वेयर plus b square and 2ab cot x into tan x. Already you know the tan x is equal to 1 by cot x. What is that tan x equal to 1 by cot x? It means what? The 1 by cot x, you need cot x, then that is 1 by tan x. Then cot x into tan x will be 1. So this cot x इधर आया तो क्या होगा cot x into tan x will be 1. Simple. Tan x into cot x will be 1. Or you can substitute tan x as a 1 by cot x, then cancel. वो भी चल रहा है आपका. So tan square x, we can write it as sec square x minus 1 plus a cosec square x minus 1 plus 2 tan x into cot x. That will be 2 with respect to x. Here it is your answer. So 1 by 1 you know the formula. Sec square x is integration of sec square x is tan x minus 1 will be minus x. Cosec square will be minus cot x minus x plus 2x plus c. Minus x tan x minus cot x minus x minus 2x plus 2x plus c. दोनों कैंसल. tan x minus cot x plus c. This is your answer. तो सिंपल ही रहता है, सिंपल ही करना पड़ेगा. So one by one we have solved all basic formulas and basic problems on the basis of the integration. So one more is there, integration of 1 minus sin x and cos square x. So here also you need to think about the integrals. So आपका माइंड में क्या क्या रहता है अभी, 1 minus sin x and cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sin square a square minus b square formula. 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. तो 1 minus sin x डिवाइड बाय 1 plus sin x कैंसिल हुआ, तो 1 plus sin x इन द डिनोमिनेटर बचेगा. तो क्या करना उसको, तो वो भी कर सकते हैं आप, नहीं कर सकते बोला नहीं, वो भी कर सकते. अभी इधर देखो आइडेंटिटी यूज करो. ये cos square x है तो 1 by cos square x लिख सकते क्या आप, लिख सकते. एंड tan x sin x by cos square x लिख सकते क्या आप, लिख सकते. सिंपल मेथड यू हैव टू यूज. तो 1 by cos square x minus sin x डिवाइडेड बाय cos x इंटू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय cos x, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना cos square को. cos into cos square, and 1 by cos square is nothing but sec square x with respect to x. Sin by cos is tan x, 1 by cos is sec x, and with respect to x. Now integration of sec square x is you know tan x. Integration of sec x into tan x will be also you know, that is sec x. So tan x minus sec x plus c. This is your final answer. So here we have solved all the problems based on the indefinite properties. That it means you need to know first of all the problems, and you can solve the further examples. In the next class we can solve the substitution method and the one more trigonometry identities method that you can solve in the